we need to write these fractions as decimals. So first we have 4/10. That's 0.4 because the first digit after the decimal point is the tenths place value column and we have 4/10. We need 0 in our ones column because we don't have any whole numbers. Now 400ths is 0.04, so we need 2 digits after the decimal point because the second digit after the decimal point is the hundredths digit, and we need to show that we have 400ths. That means we need a 0 in our tenths as well as in our ones. Now 4,000ths is 0.004. That's because the third digit after the decimal point is the thousandths digit, and to show that we have 4,000ths, we need zeros in our hundredths and our tenths so that the 4 is the third digit after the decimal point. Now we have 76 hundredths. The denominator of 100 tells us that we can't go past the hundredths place value column, so we can only have 2 digits after the decimal point. That means we write 76 hundredths as 0.76, so the 7 gets pushed across to the tenths column. And that works because 7/10 is equivalent to 70 hundredths, and if we have 70 hundredths plus 6 hundredths, we have 76 hundredths. Now we have 76 thousandths. The denominator of 1,000 tells us that we can't go past the thousandths place value column, so we can only have 3 digits after the decimal point. That means we need to write 76 thousandths as 0.076, so with 3 digits after the decimal point. That means the 7 gets pushed across to our hundredths column, but we can do that because 7 hundredths is equivalent to 70 thousandths, and putting that together with the 6 thousandths gives us 76 thousandths. Finally, we have 176 thousandths. The denominator of 1,000 tells us that we need 3 digits after the decimal point, so we need to write that as 0.176. The 7 gets pushed across to the hundredths column, and the 1 gets pushed all the way across to the tenths. But that works because 1/10 is equivalent to 100 thousandths, 7 hundredths is equivalent to 70 thousandths, and putting those together with the 6 thousandths gives us 176 thousandths. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.